today we're doing a very, very short video, and it's just, wanting to show you one of our finds that we found at our local public supermarket. So today we're making, what we're making, babes? What's the name of it?
Avocado Bacon Ranch Dip.
Avocado Bacon Ranch Dip. Avocado Garlicky Bacon Ranch Dip. Avocado Spicy Bacon Ranch Dip. You can change it up any which way you want, but today we're just making it quick and easy. And we're just going to show you a list of ingredients. Then we're going to run through and just, you'll be so surprised how fast and easy this video is. And you can have it as a dip, you can have it as a spread, you can have it however you want. You can make it creamy, you can make it, what's the word? Not crunchy, what?
Chunky.
Chunky. You can make it any which way you want it. Yes.
Smooth or rough.
Smooth or rough. So, let we go. We're going to make
Soft or tough.
It not to be soft, it can be tough, soft or tough, my girl. But nobody wants tough avocado. That means it don't cook. Hello, thank you.
You cook avocado?
Oh, I mean it's not right. She's messing with my head, guys. She is messing with my head. Let's go. So here is our list of ingredients, guys. And as I said, this is a recipe that we got from our local public supermarket. And when you go into the supermarket, guys, remember that they have these little cards with different vegetables and stuff, and on the back of the card there is a recipe. All right, so let me just put this up so you can pause the video and take off this recipe, including the preparation and everything. So we know the recipe like that around here. All right, so yeah, okay, so we're gonna make our avocado. All right, so the first thing we have is our sour cream. We have some ranch salad, ranch dressing, the dry one. We have an avocado here, and I got this one from my brethren, Brother Watto, and it's a very nice one, different one with long stem avocados, really nice. We have 3 cloves of garlic. We have some real 100% real bacon bits that we also picked up in Publix, and we have some olive oil. And pretty much we're gonna peel the avocado, dump everything into our food processor, and we're good to go. Yeah, man. Let me tell you, go quick and easy, man. I like it a lot.
Guys, this avocado turned out pretty good. And you guys already know it's always a risk when you cut avocado. You don't know what you're gonna get. Sometimes it's crappy and sometimes it's just the bomb.
Sometimes it's snappy and sometimes it's crappy.
Today this one is nice and dry and foody, not watery. So it's a win, it's a W.
I have to take off it, I have to peel the skin because it's a little bit overripe. Oh, piece of skin getting there.
Skin never kill nobody.
Yeah, but it kind of tastes good. So I'm just load up my avocado now into this machine, and then we're good to go. So now we're just gonna add our bacon, guys, at the end. I'm just adding a couple teaspoon of this bacon. Yeah, I love bacon. And then we're just gonna take our time and fold it in. And you can take it out. You can take this out of the machine and do it. It's just that we don't want to mess up all the containers. You know, fold it in like so, and then you're ready to put it in a nice cute bowl. And again, if you wanted this to be a little bit more chunky, you could always reserve some of your avocado and add it. You know, like dice it up small and add it at the end, right, babes? Yeah. And then I'm gonna also always like a little black pepper.
You put salt?
I did because of the ranch dressing that we used.
Okay.
And really, I go push the salt envelope a little bit. All right, and that's it. Basically, I'm just gonna add it to my container now.
Yeah, guys. So there we have it. Our quick and easy avocado bacon ranch dip. Now we served it up with some better chips. Yeah, whole grain. And this is jalapeno, and we also have the kale.
Spinach and kale.
Spinach and kale. Yeah.
And again, you can get these at Publix as well.
Better be a Publix affiliate.
Support them decide to pay with.
And we have it in our nice avocado bowl and stuff and things. So yeah.
So guys, the next time you're going to Publix, remember to look for these cards, because they do have very good ideas on them, and you can modify it as well. If you notice, this recipe did not call for bacon, but because we love bacon, we added bacon to it, and it turned out amazing, and it's delicious. So delicious.
So delicious. Yeah. Again, guys, Yardie TV. Signing out with another quick and easy meal idea. Live and laugh.
Cook and eat. I mean, dip.
Remember, I'm telling you.
So that's it, guys, for this awesome avocado dip. Quite unique, just like a lot like guacamole, but with a unique twist to it, a different flavor with the sour cream and the ranch dressing. It was awesome. Remember, guys, to get your one-day detox by reaching out to us at 305-204-1270. Yardie TV, big up on yourself.